Are you tired of juggling multiple tools for your CRM and marketing needs? What if I told you there's a game changer that combines it all into one powerful platform? Stay tuned. Welcome to today's quick guide, where we compare the best tools in CRM and marketing automation. We're diving into why GoHighLevel might be the solution you've been searching for. Let's kick things off with features. While tools like HubSpot and Salesforce offer extensive functionalities, GoHighLevel integrates everything into one unified platform. From email marketing and SMS campaigns to sales funnels and social media management, it eliminates the hassle of multiple subscriptions. But don't just take our word for it. Users say, GoHighLevel has transformed our marketing. It's incredibly easy to use and has everything we need. Now, let's discuss pricing. GoHighLevel provides unmatched value compared to Salesforce's complex pricing or HubSpot's rising costs with add-ons. You get a straightforward, all-inclusive package that saves you money without sacrificing functionality. Ease of use is crucial, and GoHighLevel shines here too. Its intuitive dashboard allows you to streamline workflows without a steep learning curve. And in today's mobile-first world, GoHighLevel ensures you stay connected no matter where you are. Ready to streamline your CRM and marketing tools? Try GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial and see how it integrates everything in one powerful platform. Plus, schedule your kickoff call to ensure a smooth setup and start transforming your business today. Links are in the video description below.